Hey everybody, so we are out here tonight ready to do another potato video.
Hi.
I'm out here with Miley and my mom and my niece Keisha, and we are all gonna dig my mom's potatoes that she grows in containers and laundry baskets and buckets and all of that. So we're gonna see what she has for this year. This first one is in a laundry basket. This year she changed it up a bit and decided to use a different shaped laundry basket and put a trash bag as a liner.
You guys can dig in if you wanna.
It's been super dry here, super hot. So, ooh, look at that. She pulled out one. Yay. The nice thing about it is you can take the liner out and then use it as a basket to hold your potatoes.
Yeah. Oh my, you're doing good, kid.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Yay.
Well, I think I got it in there too good.
Brief intermission there to switch out the baskets.
Yeah.
She dug one the other day and got a nice little bit. And so she's just gonna add it to them. That way they can stick the dirt back in the basket and save it for next year. Okay, the next one is in a taller laundry basket. And as you notice, she used a cat food bag to line it this year. In our first video that she did, which I'll link right up here, she used like a fabric, it's called tulle, and she used that. It was like a netting, and she used that to line her laundry basket, and that worked good, except for it was thin and it was kind of hard to dump it out. And she didn't have any of that available this year, so she just used what she had on hand, and it happened to be a cat food bag. And I think that worked out really great because it allowed for drainage, and you know, I think it did allow for a little airflow, didn't it?
It did.
So, yeah. Easy to dump.
Oh, red.
I don't know which is what. I really don't. We'll find it out, I guess, hopefully.
And white.
And white.
Got red and white in this bunch. She put several seed potatoes in one deal.
I did 2 or 3. It depends on what the container was. But those are tiny.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, you got one. Oh, another one.
Ooh, there's a larger one. Yay.
Hey.
So exciting. Just like
Yeah.
unwrapping a Christmas gift. Yep, there's one right there on that blob you're holding.
Ah. Oh my gosh, Miley, you got a handful. Thank
you. Okay, on to the next one. Boy, those dump out of there really good, don't they?
It's been so hot that I think the moisture gets to them and they...
Yeah, hot and
Don't-
humid.
Yeah. Yeah.
Got a couple of rotten ones
Yes,
in
I
there.
do.
Sometimes that's just what happens when you grow things. You can do the same thing faithfully year after year, but if the weather's bad or you get pests, insects, or whatever, you know, that affects your crop. And so this year, I have to say, hasn't been one of maybe the better growing seasons. It's been really hot, humid, dry, and that can sometimes have a big effect.
Thank you, Quiche.
You're welcome.
Had a lot of people ask what she does with the soil, and she saves it every year, adds new to it, compost and rabbit poop and all sorts of stuff, and and grows new potatoes every year with it.
I do. The roots are really dense. Oh.
See one right there.
Yep.
Ooh, a couple of them.
Couple.
Ooh, there's some more in there.
Here?
Yeah, look at that.
Oh my. About it.
I bet they'll taste good.
Yes, it will too.
Fried taters with onions fresh out of the garden. Yum, yum, yum.
Yes.
This time we have a bucket. Ooh, got red ones.
Ah.
Got another rotten one. Oh no.
I think honestly, I like buckets, but they just don't get near as much air like a laundry basket does.
Yeah. Most definitely. Buckets just kind of hold in the moisture too much, and then when it gets real
Yeah, I don't think this one's good.
No.
So if you're trying to choose between growing them in buckets or laundry baskets, we think laundry baskets work better.
And be sure and poke holes in the sides, or even if you use cat food bags, do a lot of variation. I think that makes a big difference.
Yeah, lots of drainage, and so that way that can dry out.
There we go.
There we go.
You've got the magic touch, you guys.
Oh yeah.
Oop.
Ooh, look at that one. It's a nice one. Woo!
Got a lot of good roots, but that's about it. There we go.
Yeah. So did you plant 2 seeds in that one? Pretty much, you know, of the buckets?
2 or 3.
2?
Yeah.
Okay. We have our little
is,
supervisor sitting here supervising.
Yeah, that's my little buddy. Sit. Here we go.
This, we have a potato bucket, right?
Yeah.
This is one of those that you can lift out, kind of steal potatoes and set it back down.
Small ones.
Yeah, not big.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Do not touch that one.
Okay.
Yeah. did not work.
You scared us a little bit, maybe. Wow. Oh.
Ooh, is it?
Ah. They're
Oh,
both bad.
both bad.
Well, this isn't much fun, is it?
Oh, I think digging potatoes is always fun.
Oh, except when they're rotten.
Yeah, when they're rotten, it's a little disappointing when you get a big one and it's rotten, but
This was rotten.
It is fun. I love it.
it is fun.
It really is. You're right on that.
Ooh, here's a big one that's not. Spot right there.
It might be all right. We'll set in judgment on that one. No dice.
I threw a rotten potato off that way, and Mr. Scoots chased after it. Oh, he's playing with it now.
Brooke's cat.
Oh, he loves rotten potatoes. How cute.
Well,
I think we hardly got anything from that one.
nope.
So little containers don't do as good as bigger containers do,
They
right?
don't. So far, I like the baskets with the liners in them the best.
Yep.
Oh, it's sprouting.
One fell out right on the ground there.
Oh, it's rotten. It's got a brown spot, but I think it's still good. That is BB's garden fence.
Yeah. That's too bad.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh. I can throw it. Do you want to try to keep that one or try?
I don't think it'll be any good. It won't last.
Yeah, I think the hot conditions did a number on him.
Smells like rotten potato.
I wonder why.
I have no clue. Ew. Bug. Run. Mm-mm.
Oop, one fell out on the ground.
Is this one keepable?
I think so. They're warm.
They are.
It's been so hot.
Yeah. It was what, 108 here yesterday.
Oh my.
Whoa, look at that.
Yay.
This one had more regular dirt in it.
But it gets hard.
Yeah, it gets really hard. That's some soil just from our land.
It's pretty, but it's got a soft. Maybe it'll.
Hey, I'd throw it in the basket and maybe put it on top and use it first or something. Last bucket.
Whoa.
Ooh.
What?
Save the best one for last.
Hope so.
Ooh, that dirt is hot. Wow. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Wow, you got a pretty good haul there.
That's not bad, is it?
We should weigh it.
Okay. You're the official weigher. Oh, there it is.
$17.
17 pounds.
It was less than last year.
8 pounds less. But I bet you had the rotten ones not been rotten, you would have
Yeah.
gotten the same or if not more.